Hello everyone, welcome to Codeforces round 982. We are solving problem A, rectangle arrangement. So in this problem, we are given an infinite grid, which initially are all the cells are basically white, and what we need to do is we have to color it. But how can we color it? We have n stamps we have been given as an input that will be having wi as width and hi as height. And what we have to do is we cannot rotate the stamps for each the cell. Stamp must either cover it or fully not cover it. Okay. And what you can do is also that you can use any stamp at any position on the grid. And even if some or all the cells are covered by the stamping area are already black. So it does not matter that where you position your stamps basically that are coming in order to color it. We can make them overlapping or anywhere in the grid. You can just do anything you want. You can place them anywhere you want. So this is the basically the scenario that they have given. But what we do is we have to minimize the sum of the perimeters that we'll get of the connected regions that we have after doing all the stamps that we have. Okay, so if you see the constraints are pretty much low, and the main idea that how I landed was basically by seeing this example. So if you carefully observe that what they're doing is they're positioning all the stacks at some origin. Let's say this is my 0 comma 0, so started stacking based on the height and the width. So they placed one block, one stamp here, then another here. Similarly they started doing, so they considered one origin sort of thing, and they started positioning with respect to it all the other stamps. So what this will do, this will basically make the entire size as small as possible in order to minimize the perimeter, because that is finally what we are trying to achieve. Okay, and also based on this idea I try to look at like how the other examples are behaving. So the simple idea is that you look for the maximum heights that they have and maximum widths they have. Okay, so once you have maximum height and maximum width, you add them and multiply them by 2. Why 2? Because once you have this x and y axis, you will also want to consider these boundaries also. So these boundaries are very much important, and that will be basically twice of this sum of the heights, maximum height and maximum width that they are having. So what we're doing is basically we are taking n, we are taking a vector of pair that is basically the stamp's height and width, and I'm maintaining one maximum width and maximum height variable that is storing on each input that what is my maximum width and maximum height. And simply after taking the input, I am taking the summation of maximum height, maximum width and maximum height, and multiplying it by 2, and that is my answer. So yeah, that was all for this question. If you have any query, do comment it out and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.